Hi, my name is Nick, and I am the developer of VesselOps. So VesselOps was developed for the Gemma for Good hackathon on Kaggle. And VesselOps is a Gemma-based offline AI tool that helps mostly with medical knowledge. So we've made a web app version, and that's how you can test with it, and it's useful. But we also have an offline mode. So I'm actually going to pop in here to ask Gemma a question. And it's been trained on the World Health Organization International Medical Guide. I'm telling it, I've got a prompt ready here. So I've basically got a crew member who has crushed their lower leg, and we need to get immediate. We need to get some direction. So right now, Gemma is referencing the World Health Organization guide that we've loaded in this RAG system, and it should be telling us how to handle this terrifying situation. All right, and now it's coming back, and this is longer than my normal prompts. It did. I have to be honest. It took quite a bit more. So it's telling us which page and which splints to go to. It's trying to give us even a link to that. So I'm going to pivot here though and show you that this is available in offline mode. You can go to GitHub and download the installer, and you'll download Olama. So it all runs through Olama, and we even have a special model that we didn't see here that is fine-tuned with Unsloth. So it's been a great hackathon. I'm going to hand it off to Dr. Michael, who we've been
I'm
working with
Dr.
on this
Michael.
project.
I spent 11 years active duty in the Army as a physician and 4 years in the reserves. I now work as an ICU physician, and on my free time I enjoy sailing in the Puget Sound. I know Chris, working with VesselOps AI, because he's done multiple passages across the actual ocean. And as you know, if you're stranded somewhere and you're having a mechanical or medical emergency while on board, having access to information is not just critical, it can be the difference between life and death. VesselOps AI bridges the gap between your knowledge and an expansive knowledge of AI infrastructure. However, it remains living on your laptop even when you're disconnected from the internet. I would highly suggest that you use VesselOps AI as a way to bridge the gap between what you know and what you need to know and those times where you desperately require the information. Good luck.